Hey you, everyone, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. It's a pleasure to be here. It's an honor to be here. And by the grace of that honor, alright, I'm happy that Yailin gave us another song. Oh my god! Rip! Rip! Rip, bro. I'm so excited. Like, this woman always bring so much happiness. Oh my god! Okay, so guys, I'll be now react to Todos, Mienten by my love, by my crush in the Monica, by my baby girl, Yailin La Mas Viral. Bro, I love her so much, and with the honor of that love, I love you all so much. You guys are such a supportive bunch of people. You guys are such heartwarming lovers. The love that you guys shown on my page, the love that I've received from all my reactions when it comes on to Yailin, it's beyond my expectation. And I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the love. I really appreciate the support. Everything that you guys are doing, it's an amazing feeling for me. Alright, and it's an overwhelming feeling that you guys are here supporting. And I love you so much, Yailin Lamas Viral. You're such a very great individual. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Peace. Wait, I love this entrance.
Muchas fotos, mucho video, pero este cuero cree que tiene algo.
Oh. No, the reason why I'm here just to support her, it's because of her uniqueness. Her style is different. Alright? Her videos and her entrance is dope as fuck. Alright? Her entrance is always something unique that always have me like, wow. Okay. So let's continue.
Maldita perra, tú lo vas a perder. Maldito bobo.
Hey, you know what I love about Yailin is that she's just beautiful. She's just different. She's just peculiar. Alright? And her looks is always mesmerizingly amazing to be admired on. Alright? Damn, I love this woman, bro. Like, musically speaking, she's my favorite artist in the Monica. Alright, so let's go some more.
Ay, que todos mienten, yo también, por eso ya no creo. No tiene voltio pa' quitarme un hombre, tú eres un cuero.
Wait. If this woman get thicker, if this woman looks more gorgeous, if this woman looks more amazing to admire on, bro, I'm begging you, please, just get your hands off my woman, bro. You're gonna get some real knock in your head, bro. Like, bro, come on, bro. Bro, please, just get your hands off my woman, dog. I mean, like, bro, you're just touching her too much, Yailin. You're just doing this. Why are you doing this to me, Yailin? Like, I'm just jealous. I'm freaking jealous, bro. Oh my god. Okay, let's continue.
Yo doy 1000 vueltas arriba de él hasta que lo mareo. Lo cojo un ratico y después le doy recreo. Que estaba preso, tú le vas a creer.
Her musical beats always sound similar, but it's giving a different impression of the music. And I love her style. I love her beat. I love the fact that she's just here looking so gorgeous, and her music is just always different. Alright? That look that she's looking up in the camera like this, is giving me that sex look. Alright?
Maldita perra, tú lo vas a perder. ¿Que dónde está? Que tú lo quieres ver. Apaga el cel, tú no.
Wow. She's skilled. This woman is skilled. She's just too terrific to doing all this, bro. Like, I'm loving this woman so much. Day by day, I'm loving her music so much. She's always making sure that I'm feeling entertained. And I do love woman that is full of entertainment. Because what she's giving, it catches my attention. And I love to attend to her entertainment. Dang it!
Lo vuelve a ver. Ay, olvídate, date de él. Olvídate, date de él. Olvídate, date de él. Olvídate, date de él. Olvídate.
Yo! Rip! The entrance from that beautiful car, guys. Please let me know the car name in the comment section, because you know, in Jamaica we do not have those cars yet. Or probably they are here in Jamaica, but I haven't seen one before. Alright, but the entrance from the car is freaking dope. She's just too good, bro. Like, she's just too amazing, dog. Oh my goodness!
Date de él. Olvídate, date de él. Olvídate, date de él. Olvídate, date de él. Y llámame pa' que lo veas roncando encima de mí como un niño babeando.
Wow! Well, she's now changing the beat. She's now changing the speed of her voice. Bro, I gotta say, this is the reason why I also love her so much. Alright? Her music never sticks to one level. She's always venturing. She's always pushing forward. Alright? Her music is just such an heartwarming tune. It's just refined to listen to, guys. Like, and the music videos are always beautiful, bro. She's always coming out looking such a refinement. Wow!
Cuando te dijo que estaba durmiendo, se estaba bañando, que terminamos dando. Que estaba preso, tú le vas a creer. Maldita perra, tú lo vas a perder.
You know, I'm actually jealous. I'm actually jealous. Alright, because you know, what the heck is she doing to that guy? Like, Yailin, come on, you're making me jealous right now. Okay? With this look, with that position, with everything, I'm like, this is beautiful, bro. This is amazing.
¿Dónde está que tú lo quieres ver? Apaga el cel, tú no lo vuelves a ver. Ay, olvídate, date de...
Yo, anything goes pop, anything go that, boom. Bro, this is amazing. Oh my god, yo, the video is so good. The song is so good. It is just a vibe, bro.
Olvídate, date de él. 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 Olvídate, date.
She delivers again. Alright, she's now making a dominance, a loud dominance in this music genre, bro. Like, she's just always giving us the music that we desire. She takes long to drop her music, like every month. But whenever time she releases her music in that month time period, then you know it's a banger. It's always a freaking banger, bro. Like, this woman is just a musical genius. She's just a marketing strategy. Damn, I love her, man. I love her.
Olvídate, date de él. Y esto no es nada personal. Pero loca, nie...
Wow, I'm so into her. Like, you guys won't even understand. I'm so into her, bro. Like, every time I see her, this is just like I'm skipping a beat of my heart, bro. Like, dang it! Oh my god, she's just too amazing, bro.
En otra vida, ni en otra vida, díselo tú, che,
Bro, she's a queen. And whenever time I say queen, she's not just a queen of nothing at all. She's a queen of music. She's my queen. She's my queen from Dominica. Alright? And I do admire her work. I do admire her royalty. So I have to keep it respectful. And my respect that I have for her, I love her. I actually love her, bro. Like, musically speaking, I love her, bro. Well done, Yailin. Well done. You have outdone yourself. You have done a very great job. Your music's so refined. Your music is just so entertaining. Alright? But if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to subscribe for more Yailin. It's always a pleasure to give her my reaction, and it's always a pleasure to give you what I think about her and her music. And for her music, musically speaking, it is just a very good music, right? And entertainment. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another Yailin La Mas reaction whenever time she releases a song. So stay tuned, man.